Welcome to another episode of the Tech Corner, where we dive deep into the tools and tips that can improve your coding experience. Today, we're shining a spotlight on an exciting collection of plugins specifically designed for Neovim, an IDE that many developers are beginning to embrace. It's called snacks.nvim, and it promises to enhance your workflow with a variety of nifty quality-of-life features. So, what exactly is snacks.nvim? Well, it's essentially a toolkit packed with plugins that optimize your coding environment. Imagine having a Swiss Army knife for programming. That's what snacks.nvim is for Neovim users. Now, let's explore some of its standout features that could revolutionize how you code. First up, we have Animate, which supports over 45 easing functions for creating smooth animations in your Neovim experience. Picture this. You've just made a code adjustment, and instead of an abrupt change, you see a smooth transition that brings your focus back to the task at hand. It's those little touches that make programming feel a bit more refined, don't you think? Next, let's talk about Big File. For those of us who often wrestle with large files that can cause even the most powerful systems to lag, Big File comes to the rescue. This plugin is designed specifically to handle big files more efficiently. You won't need to click away in frustration anymore. Just sit back and enjoy the ease of working with large datasets. And for fans of organization, the dashboard feature allows you to create beautiful, declarative dashboards that give you an at-a-glance overview of your workspace. It's like having a digital command center where you can see everything at once. No more digging through files trying to remember where you left that crucial piece of code. Now, I can't forget about Git Browse, which lets you open the current file, branch, or commit directly in your web browser. Imagine you're debugging and you want to check the commit history or see the changes made. Just a quick command away and you're right there in GitHub or GitLab. It's incredibly convenient. How about we dive even deeper into these plugins? One feature that stands out is the lazy Git integration, allowing you to manage your Git repositories without leaving Neovim. It's like having a mini version of Git right within your editor, which is truly a game changer for many developers. Speaking of integration, snacks.nvim also supports a Zen mode, a distraction-free coding environment that lets you focus solely on your work. You might think of it as putting on blinders in a busy office. The noise is gone and you can finally concentrate on the code that matters. Now, all these features sound great, but let's talk about setup. Many plugins require some initial configuration to get it running smoothly. But don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. The developers have made it easy to check your system's health with a simple command. This ensures that you're good to go before you dive in. As we wrap up, it's clear that snacks.nvim is not just another collection of plugins. It's a toolbox designed to streamline your coding process, enhance your productivity, and make the experience more enjoyable. So, what feature are you most excited about? Are you a fan of the idea of animating your edits, or perhaps the distraction-free Zen mode? Remember, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, plugins like these can make a significant difference in your coding journey. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Tech Corner. Keep coding, keep creating, and we'll see you next time.